Hello, my beautiful mommy and sisters in the house. Welcome to another online class. So, this gele I'll be tying first. The joining of this gele is just by two lines. So, here's the joining of the gele is just by two lines. So, you can tie this gele for your client or on yourself to church or to Owambe parties. So I started by creating pleats. But I first create like three pleats there. Then I'm crossing it, bringing it back to the front again. This gele is very easy, very simple. It's not hard. You can easily achieve it. I just created three pleats there. So I'm adjusting it. So at that front I'm creating V shape there. So be giving my model to hold the other side for me now. I'll be bringing back the other hand now. I'm still like adjusting it. So now I'm bringing it back to the front, creating another pleat like so. Then I will be using office pen to pin it down before I will create my ruffles. I'm using office pen. Using office pen to pin it down at that front there. If you are using office pen, you have to be very careful not to hurt yourself or your clients. So the next thing I'm doing now, I'm creating ruffles. Just look at that. So if you have like joining of three gele, you can also achieve it with this style and it will come out very nice also. So I'm still using office pen. So for ruffles, you need like enough office pen, guys. You need enough office pen. So I'm still using office pen. You just have to take your time when tying this gele. Don't be in a hurry. Take your time. So now the other hand now, I'm bringing it back. But before creating ruffles, I'll first use office pen to pin it down that side like that. So I'm using office pen to pin it down. So be careful not to hurt your client when pinning it down. So now I'm creating ruffles there again. One thing about this style is that you need enough office pen. That is just it. You need enough office pen. Otherwise, the style is very easy, guys. All you just need is office pen. You need enough office pen. So I'm just still styling it. Still styling it. Just take your time. Take your time. I'm using office pen to hold it down at that front there. I don't want it to be too high, so I'm bringing it down a little bit. But if you want yours to be high more than this, you can do that. So that is it. So if you have any question on this gele, do let me know. Do let me know. Just take your time. Practice make perfect. So just the more you practice, the more your hand will change. So just continue practicing. So that is it about the gele. My beautiful sisters, do let me know if you have any question. Do let me know. So that is it. That is it. So that is it, guys. All right. Bye.